Since 1975, 50 years we are so humble and true, with the colors of our pride. United we stand, we pledge ourselves. It's one people, one nation, one country.
Now you become a Philippines, and my story belong you become a 50 years gone by. Now you miss an approve
Long Nambis, Long Bougainville, Opinissim, Sepik, PNG YUMI WAN TASOL.
Now you become a Philippines, and my story belong you become a 50 years gone by. Now you miss an approve
Siburuk, belong is to pretend. Philip Coron, Southern Islands, PNG YUMI WAN TASOL. Now that we are together as one, all in Passam Tumbunan, strong in Heights Mahn belong YUMI. Celebrate our history, inspire our future.
You run one YUMI Papua New Guinea.
Let's acknowledge the great Grand Chief Sir Michael Thomas Sumare, our forefathers and all our fallen heroes who had paid back of our independence in 1975.